A thumbnail image is a preview or visual summary of the video's content, allowing viewers to quickly identify and recognize the video. Open the video in the PotPlayer. Right-click in the PotPlayer. Point over to the video. Video capture. Create thumbnail image. The thumbnail image creator dialog box will open. Set the file name and storage location. Image format. Number of images per row and column. After everything is set, click OK. The thumbnail image will be created in the specified folder. You can change the number of images to cater to your needs.